On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepares the easiest shrimp basilico sauce ever. Served on a pillow of zucchini noodles, this simple and healthy recipe will have the whole family coming back for more. First things first, we chop. To make the zucchini noodles, we need a vegetable spiralizer. These can be found at most grocery or kitchen supply stores. Take a piece of zucchini, place it in the spiralizer, and spin it around. The zucchini will transform into these nice veggie noodles that will serve as our base. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add in the halved cherry tomatoes and season with a half teaspoon of black pepper. Next, add in half of our garlic. To keep the garlic from burning, place it on top of our tomatoes. Drop in some crushed red pepper flakes. How much depends on how spicy you like your food. Now, it wouldn't be shrimp sauce without shrimp. Add in 2 ounces of peeled and deveined jumbo shrimp. The more local you can find, the better. And it wouldn't be shrimp basilico sauce without basil. Season this dish with half of our fresh basil and give the pan a nice toss or a stir. When the shrimp has turned an opaque pink color, add in a 1/4 cup of vegetable stock. Use no salt stock if you can. To thicken up the sauce, we're using a half teaspoon of rice flour, although all-purpose flour would work fine if you already have some in your kitchen. Deglaze the pan with 2 tablespoons of water or white wine. You may need to add more vegetable stock or flour. It depends on how thick you like your sauces to be. Finally, add in the other half of the fresh basil. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a new pan. Take our zucchini noodles from before and drop them in, followed by the other half of our garlic. Season this with a teaspoon of black pepper. Cook until the zucchini is tender, which will be around 2 minutes or so. You may need to deglaze the pan along the way. Once it's done, it's time to plate. Top the zucchini pasta with a hearty amount of Parmesan cheese and a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Finish with our beautiful shrimp basilico sauce. And voila, a marvelous shrimp and pasta dish that is fit to eat. This recipe pairs well with the seared lemon snapper recipe. The link to that video is in the description below. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat. Chef Rob and registered dietitian Rebecca Turner cook delicious seafood dishes after a trip to the Jackson Farmers Market. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.